When we change out resin, if it's 10 TDS or higher, we need to change our resin. That means there's too many minerals in it and it may leave water spots. So we want to unscrew this. Once this is unscrewed, we have a thing with bad resin in it and good resin. So we set that aside, pour out your extra water, and then we're getting rid of this extra resin. And it takes some good shakes. Once your resin is out, mainly, then I just rinse it out with the water. The rest of it over here. And this resin is really slippery. Like right here, I spilled it on the ground. I want to make sure it gets up real good because it's like walking on marbles, and you'll slide out real easily. So once this water is out of here, I want to go ahead and make sure these filters are rinsed down. And I don't want to have any rocks in here when you shut this. If this is rocky, it's going to make it sound and not tighten very well. So we're gonna make sure that is nice and clean. All right, so now you got a empty container. And what I usually is get a chair. I got these little handy tools in my little funnel. I'm gonna dry my hands off. So I take this bag and I usually roll it back so I can get to everything easier and have enough opening here to get my resin. And then I just start filling it up, and it takes a good little while. Not too long, but it's not a fast thing. And so what I do is I try to fill it up as high as I can in here and still be able to get this lid and that tube poked through here. I try to get it. So what I'll do at the very end is when I'm filling this up, I'll have this in here like this, and this will be, I have to push it down, and then I'll add a little bit to the edge here to fill it out, and I'll kind of push it back before I turn this on. And that's basically how you change your resin out. When you change it out and you run your water, it may take a couple minutes. The TDS may be high at that point, and then all of a sudden you'll see that number go down, down, down after a minute or so, just because it's got to circulate through this stuff. And that's how you change your resin out.